First, wash your hands. Make it sure that your hands is clean. Wipe it to make it dry. First, make the baby sleeping. Wake it up. Hello, baby. Hello. And then, if the baby is already wake up, check the diaper is wet, like this. And then like that. If the diaper is not wet or it's already not full, it's okay if you will not change it, and then put back the baby. And then wash your hands and make it dry. And then feed the baby. First, you must check the bottle of the baby if it's already clean or it's already sterilized. First, open the bottle. Put the top upside down. Put the water. Ask your employer what is the measurement of the water. If the measurement of water is 3 ounces, just put your finger in the 3 ounces and put water. Make sure that the water container do not fill in the mouth of the bottle. Put water until 3 ounces and then put it back here. Make sure that the water is not outside in the baby or for the safety. And then put the back. Open the milk. When you measure the milk, don't use your finger to measuring. Instead, make like this. And don't put the measuring in the mouth of the bottle. And then cover immediately so the milk will make it still fresh. And then shake it. And then like this when you shake the milk. And then just check if there's a milk over here. Sometimes the milk is dropped down there. And then put. And then cuddle the baby. First, you must handle this head. This is the very important. Then this one. And make sure like this. And then find a comfortable position. And then make sure the hands of the baby and put there and make it comfortable. First, you must check the temperature is okay so that the baby will not, it's very hot. Like this. And then if it's okay, fill there or make 3 times to check. And then feed the baby. And if the baby is already finished feeding, make it burp. Like this. Or if the baby is already done burping, and then sometimes the baby burp milk from the mouth, make sure that you wipe it if there's an excess burp, and then massage your stomach like that.
Okay. Make sure the baby comfortable. That's already okay.
Yes,
okay, may I know if the baby always crying on the midnight, you also sleeping with the baby together, what will you do?
I will wake up mom and then check the baby what is their feeling, and then I will make in a lullaby to maybe she is hungry or maybe she have something, your diaper is wet, or I will check the diaper is wet, or then if you have a fever, I will check mom, and then I will cuddle it and then make it like this.
Okay, very good. You really take care of the baby even at night time?
Of course, mom. I love baby.
Okay, that's good. Okay, thank you for your interview.
Thank you, mom.
Yes.